Hey guys, what's up? I can't wait to see you on Friday, but before you actually come for the event, you need to actually get your accounts set up and sorted out, right? So what you actually need to do is you need to go on to interactivebrokers.com, and for that class, that day we'll be actually doing a live practical session. We'll be actually placing trades. And how do we do that? We need to do that on the actual platform in itself. So I will require you to go to interactivebrokers.com and actually download the actual platform. So how does the platform look like? Where do you actually download it? You got to click on under login, click on TWS, the trader workstation. So please click on TWS, right? And you'll actually come on to this page. Let me just show you in 2 seconds. So you'll actually come onto here, and please download it either for your Mac or for your Windows, for example, and download the platform. So once you've actually downloaded the platform, it will actually look something like this, right? So you'll actually see this, the trader workstation, and this is basically what you actually got to have on your laptop. So please guys, please download this, and I will show you the next instruction very soon. So guys, this is the next instruction. Once you actually have this downloaded already, all you need to do is to actually have an account, right? So how do you actually do that? If you come under your interactivebrokers.com site, if you just click on free trial, for example, if you just click on this, they will just click on start your free trial, and you'll have to create a username and password. Once you actually create the username and password, you can immediately log on to actually start practicing how to actually do that, right? So after you actually have created a username and password and you actually have downloaded the platform, the next step will be to actually go to this site to get your layout, right? So Value Investing College has actually created a layout so that to actually make your investing and trading a lot simpler. So the website is actually bit.ly/VIC layout. All right, bit.ly/VIC layout. Click on this under your browser, right? Click on this under your browser, and you will come to this page. Let me just show you. Right, so you will come under this page. So this is the page, bit.ly/VIC layout. I'll need you to actually download it and save it onto your downloads or to your desktop, for example. Just make sure you download this. You don't have to open it, just download this. So just to share with you all again, what is the website? The website is this, bit.ly/VIC layout. Alright, so basically once you actually download it, what I need you to do is to go onto your platforms, right? Go onto your platforms. It will look something like this, and I'll need you to follow these instructions very carefully. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to click on file, right, and click on layout settings recovery, right? So click on this one time, right? After that, you will see this button called custom. Click on custom and press OK, right? Once you've actually clicked on OK, I will need you to go and search for that file. So basically it will typically be under your downloads. So click on your downloads, for example. All right, click on your downloads, and you will see Value Investing College platform layout, right? So click on this, press open, and click on open without reporting problem. So once you have actually done that already, the layout will be actually downloaded onto your platform and will look very sleek and very easy to use. So this is the instructions. Please get this ready before I see you at Holiday Inn Potts Point this coming week. I can't wait to see you guys that day. It will be a totally amazing experience. I can't wait to share all my information with you, and let's get ready to make some real life money. All right, can't wait to see you guys. Ciao.